Good day, class. Welcome back to One Body Creole. This is lesson 14, Haitian Creole 101. Today, we're getting closer to the end of the introduction class, right? Not to worry, because we'll have more classes coming. Today, we're going to learn about the days, the months, and the seasons. Number 1 is about the days. Number 2 is about the months. Number 3 is about the seasons. So now I'm going to say everything in Creole, and then we'll go back trying to translate. But forget about English. As I'm saying it in Creole, try to understand. Alright? Let's do this. Combien jours qui gagnent dans semaine nan? Qui non yo? Combien jours qui gagnent dans semaine nan? Qui non yo? Gagnent 7 jours dans semaine nan. Gagnent 7 jours dans semaine. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. That was number 1. Let's go back to number 1, try to translate, okay? Number 1 says, combien jours qui gagnent dans semaine nan, qui non yo? How many days are there in a week? What are the names, okay? Now, A says, gagnent 7 jours dans semaine nan. Gagnent 7 jours dans semaine nan. There are 7 days in a week. B gives you the name of the days. Lundi for Monday, mardi for Tuesday, mercredi for Wednesday, jeudi for Thursday, vendredi for Friday, samedi for Saturday, and if you're looking at your screen, it says ak dimanche. Ak is end, right? Ak is end. I didn't mention that earlier, but it's fine. Ak means end. Samedi is Saturday. Ak is end. Dimanche is Sunday. Dimanche is Sunday. Alright? So that was it for the first part. Now let's move to number 2. Combien mois qui gagnent dans l'année? Combien mois qui gagnent dans l'année? Qui non yo? Gagnent 12 mois dans l'année. Gagnent 12 mois dans l'année. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre à décembre. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. Now, for number 2, combien mois qui gagnent dans l'année qui non yo? How many months are there in a year, and what are the names? A. Gagnent 12 mois dans l'année. There are 12 months in a year. B. It names the months, right? Janvier, January. Février, February. Mars, March. Avril, April. Mai, May. Juin, June. Juillet, July. Août, August. Septembre, September. October, October. November, November. December, December. Now we're going to go to number 3. Number 3 is about the seasons. I'm going to read everything in Creole first, and then we'll translate them. Pay attention, try to understand what we're saying, right? Let's go. Number 3. Combien saisons qui gagnent dans l'année? Qui non yo? Combien saisons qui gagnent dans l'année? Qui non yo? Combien saisons qui gagnent dans l'année? Qui non yo? Genyen 4 sezon nan ane ya. Genyen 4 sezon nan ane ya. Printemps, été, automne, hiver. Printemps, été, automne, hiver. Printemps, été, automne, hiver. Alright. Now, let's try to translate that for you. Number 3. Combien saison ki gen nan ane ya? How many seasons are there in a year? Ki non yo? What are the names? A. There are 4 seasons in a year. There are 4 seasons in a year. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Those are the 4 seasons. In the next slide, we'll go a little deeper into those. All right, ready to move to the next slide? Let's do it.